Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into my channel. I'm here with a video on the Nutri Blender Pro by Ninja. And I just love this blender. I've been using it almost daily. I've been making these delicious acai bowls and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm going to start off with some frozen mixed berries. And this is a package that I just got from Target. It has blueberries, raspberries, cherries, and blackberries. So next I'm going to add this acai pack. It's just a frozen acai package that you can get from your local grocery store. So I'm going to go ahead and open that if I can. I may have to get some scissors to go ahead and crack it open. So I'm going to use some scissors and open up the package because it is kind of tough. And I'm just going to go ahead and add it inside the cup. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some sliced bananas. And you can use whatever fruit you enjoy. You don't have to use the berries nor the bananas, but I do enjoy bananas, so I'm going to go ahead and add that into the bowl. It just makes it a lot creamier, so that's why I'm adding the bananas, just for the texture. And now I'm going to add a little bit of Greek yogurt. I'm adding a half a cup of just plain Greek yogurt. You can use flavored yogurt if you want to. I just prefer the plain Greek yogurt. So now I'm going to add some liquid. I'm using some orange juice, and you can use whatever liquid you want to use, water, almond milk. I'm using 1/3 of a cup of orange juice. And I'm just going to pour it in. And that is it. I'm going to go ahead and secure the lid, and I'm going to go ahead and start blending. So one thing you have to remember when using this blender is that you have to make sure that the tumbler is secured inside of the base, because if not, it won't work. So you want to make sure that you just go ahead and secure it and it will lock. And I'm going to go ahead and select crush, and I'm going to just let it do its thing. So the blender does give you the auto IQ standard time, which is about 60 seconds to crush or blend your ingredients. And I kind of find that's really all you need. Maybe you may even need less than the 60 seconds to get your smoothies or this acai bowl nice and smooth, because things blend really, really well in here. I just know that you got to add liquid in most cases if you want the blender to function properly. But everything does come out nice and smooth. I don't have any chunks or lumps. Everything is very smooth. So as you can see, the acai mixture is very smooth, but if you want it a little bit thicker, you can add a little bit of ice to thicken things up. But I like mine just the way it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and top mine with some fruit and a little bit of granola. So I am making additional acai bowl, and I'm just using the leftover that I had from the first bowl, and I'm just adding some raspberries, bananas, and granola to this one. And you can actually get 2 servings out of the measurements that I use for this acai mixture. And one of the best things about making these acai bowls is the fact that the cleanup is minimal. You don't have to clean up much other than just cleaning your tumbler and wiping down the base of the blender. So let me know what you guys put in your acai bowls, or what blender you guys are using for your acai bowls. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.